Hey YouTube, Joel Kraus talking about the GoPro Hero7. I'm really excited about this because I've had the opportunity to make a lot of different videos with the GoPro 5, and when I found out the GoPro Hero7 has image stabilization, the ability to live stream your videos, and a really cool feature when it comes to time-lapse photography, I knew I had to have it. I even included a link below so that you can make the purchase yourself. I highly recommend it. I'll also recommend that you hit the subscribe button and the little bell next to it so that you can be notified when I make future videos about how it compares to the GoPro 5. I'll be showing some of those features and capabilities like the image stabilization. I'll also be doing a live cast, and additionally I'll show you some of that time-lapse photography that I'm raving about. But without further ado, let's hop into this unboxing. Hey YouTube, what's up? Just featuring the GoPro Hero7 Black. Biggest thing that I'm excited about is the fact that it's supposed to have gimbal-like stability. Pretty cool camera. Got a lot of nice little features on here. Really just showing the unboxing today. Going to get a couple cool accessories, of course. We're going to get the camera itself, the case, battery, a couple different clips, and obviously a charger. This is a really great product. I'm really excited about it. So we'll see what it's like.
So this camera is really great. It has 12 megapixels, 4K at 60 frames per second. It's waterproof up to 33 meters. And the most important part is the fact that it has that hyper smooth stabilization.
I'll also going to be testing out the live streaming at some point, but I'm really excited about this product. What I'm going to be trying to do is get some new videos here to show you how it's working. Here we go. Let's get into it and see what we got. So take this out. Get the camera. Camera's mounted on top. So what we're going to do is a couple basic things here. Take it off the clip. Move the screw here. There's going to be a little bracket that says remove. Take that off to the side. Check out the labeling here. Grab the clip, pull it back, open this up, push forward. There it is, folks, GoPro Hero7 Black. Shooting 4K at 60 frames per second. So you could probably save this plate, do something with it, maybe make a mounting bracket of other sorts. But we'll see the other accessories that come in here. Little how-to. I guess if you're watching this video, you're kind of looking for some of that. So we'll get you set up, but you're going to get a sticker. So it's pretty cool. So you get the frame. That mounts up. Put that in here. This is waterproof up to 33 feet. So, alright, cool. Super excited. So, you just open that up. You got the battery. Got the camera. Push that in. Push this down, and you're going to make sure that it gets flush. And there's a power button. Oh. So we'll go through some of the menu. We go to the app. We're going to go to the top corner here. We're going to add a camera. And it found it. So we're going to connect the camera, pair it. So you can change the name if you want, but I'm just going to keep the name for the time being. So there it is, showing me the live image.
So there it is, folks. That's the unboxing of the GoPro Hero7. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this product, you could check out the link below. Clicks you directly over to be able to purchase the product. Also, if you want to like, comment, subscribe, I appreciate it. Thank you.